Good morning, children. I hope you have completed chapter 8, that is profit and loss. Now let's start chapter 9, that is interest, simple interest. First we'll understand, then we'll understand compound. Okay, so what is simple interest? Already you have learnt in standard 7. Once again, see here the formula I have written for you. What is principal? You know, it is the money, that is sum, borrowed or the sum lent. And interest, it is the money paid by the borrower to the money lender for the use of money borrowed. Okay, sometimes we need a loan, money, so we will go to the bank or any other person who can give us money, who can borrow money. So if we will take as a loan from the bank, the loan will ask you for the interest. Okay, so it is the money paid by the borrower to the money lender for the use of money borrowed, that is simple interest, SI. And the interest mean the mean. What is the rate? But at some rate bank allow to take money. Okay, the rate of interest, it is the interest on every whatever the amount you have taken or you will take. According to that, the rate of interest will charge. Okay, bank will charge. Suppose you have taken 10,000 rupees as a loan from the bank. The bank will charge a rate of interest, suppose 10%. So 10,000, 10% would be how much? 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees would be your interest. If it is interest on every 100 rupees, if a rate is 12% per year, it means 12 rupees is the interest of 1 year on rupees 100. ठीक है, interest on every 100 rupees 100 का interest 12% per year लोगे तो 12% के according तुम्हारे 12 रुपया होते हैं. 12 rupees is the interest of 1 year on rupees 100. If rate is 2% per month, monthly, if bank will ask month, per month, rate of interest is 2%. So means 2 rupees is the interest of 1 month on rupees 100. So in that manner the bank will charge. And you know the time, bank will ask how many years you will return the money, how many month or a year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Okay, so it is the time for which the money is lent or is borrowed. If the rate of interest is per year, say 8% per year, suppose, the time must be taken in years. If the rate of interest is per month, suppose say 1.5% per month, the time must be taken in months. Got it? And amount, you know, principal plus interest, sum borrowed plus interest, that is amount. ओके, द टोटल अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट ऐड करके, प्रिंसिपल तुम 10,000 लिए हो अगर, तो जितना तुम इंटरेस्ट पे करते हो उसको ऐड करके वो तुम्हारा टोटल अमाउंट निकलता है. ठीक है, ओके ओके. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. इंटरेस्ट PRT by 100, अमाउंट P plus I. Suppose you don't know the interest, in place of I you can write this formula PRT by 100. In this manner also you can solve. Let's start 9A. Okay, 9A exercise. Which question? I hope question number 1 you can do. It is easy. Find the interest and the amount on. Interest is given, time is given, rate percent is also given. You can easily find out. Okay, now 2 number also. Rohit borrowed 24,000 at 7.5% per year. How much money will he pay at the end of 4 years to clear his debt? Okay, clear his debt. Debt matlab ऋण, loan. This also easy, you can do it. Okay, so let's do it. 4 number. On what principle will the simple interest be 7,008 in 6 years 3 months at 5% per year? So children, you have to change this month into year. 6 year 3 month. Okay, the time 6 plus 3 by 12 you have to do. 3 by 12 and then you have to add. How? You just see here I have done. You have to find principal. We don't know the principal, so let principal be P. Okay, write down here principal P equal to what? What means we have to find out. Rate is 5% per annum, Time is 6 years 3 months. So month will change into year. So 3 by 12. Cut it. 3 4 ja 12. And then take LCM. 6 4 ja 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 4. That is your time. 25 by 4 year. Put as it is here. Interest equal to PRT by 100. Interest 7008. And P is P. P we have to find out. Rate is 5. 25 by 4 into 100. Cut it out. Just cut it out. Then you will get 5P by 16. Then this is 16 sent this side. Cross multiply. And this 5 will come in denominator. Divide it. You will get P equal to rupees 22425.60. Okay children. So 4 number in this manner you have to solve. Now let's see another question. 5 you can do. 6 you will try first. 7 also you will try first. 8 also you will try first. 9. Okay, 10 number. See, in what time will the interest on a certain sum of money at 6% be 5 by 8 of itself? So 5 by 8 of itself means, children, you have to find the time, but we don't know principal also, right? So write like this. Rate is given. What is given? First you write down. Rate is 6% per annum. Time we have to find. Let the principal be rupees P. As P you let. Then interest is 5 by 8 of itself. 5 by 8 of itself means that is principal. So interest equal to PRT by 100. In place of interest you can write 5 by 8 by P here. Put the value of interest here. 5 by 8 P. And then P would be P. This P will cut. Okay, 6 this one cross multiply, then you will get time 125 by 12. So 125 by 12 divide it, you will get 10 5 by 12 means 10 years 5 months, around approximately 5 months taken. Clear children? In this manner you have to solve. Now let's solve 9B. Examples already solved. You see the examples and do it yourself. 9B also you can do it, no problem. Only 10 questions are there. If any tough question you ask in group, you're most welcome, but you have to ask if you don't understand. Let's solve which number? 1 number easy. Find the rate of interest. Rate of interest you know how to find out. 2 number also do it yourself. 3 also. 4 number just see here. 2 questions I have solved for you. Rupees 4,000 amount to 5,000 in 8 years. So you have to find interest, children. You know the amount equal to P plus I. So I equal to amount minus principal. So 5,000 minus 4,000, that is 1,000. Interest would be 1,000. And time is given 8 years. Rate we don't know rate. So rate you find out first. See here. Interest 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000. Rate you have to find out. Time is 8 years. So rate equal to, put in formula, just cut it. Okay. Then rate equal to 25 by 8. Like this, in fraction leave it. No need to find out decimal one. Just as it is leave it. Later it will be divided. Now next, principal 4,000, amount 5,000, time 8 years. In what time asking here? In what time will 2,100 amount to this at the same rate? The rate we have find out 25 by 8. By the same rate, again we have to find the time, but amount here different. So amount minus principal, interest you will get 2,800 minus 2,100. You will receive rupees 700. Okay, so that is your interest, new interest. Now time, you know formula, SI into 100, P into R. Put in formula 700 into 100. Principal now 2,100 into 25 by 8. So 8 will go in numerator. Okay, got it? Directly I have done here. So you will divide it, cut it. 32 by 3, divide it again. You will get 10 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, it is in fraction, children. It will come in denominator. So it's better change this fraction into year. So 2 by 3 into 12. Multiply by 12, it will be changed into months. Okay, 10 years, this is year, this is 2 4 ja 8 months. That is your answer. Okay children, do it up to 10 number. Any doubt, I ask later. Okay.